Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant Christmas DIY using Dollar Tree mirrors and ribbon. Now let's get started. For this DIY, you'll need Dollar Tree mirrors, 2 rolls of wired Dollar Tree glitter ribbon, some strong adhesive, and hot glue. Let's start off by making our mirrored boxes. You guys have seen me make these several times before, but if you're brand new to my channel, here's how I made 3 mirrored boxes for this project. I use generous amounts of a strong adhesive to adhere all 4 of my mirrors together, and then I add hot glue to the corners to help hold the mirrors in place until my strong adhesive dries. I'm only adding the adhesive to the mirrors on the inside of the box. That's because the mirrors on the outside won't actually make contact with the top mirror. I made 3 mirrored boxes and allowed them to dry for 2 hours. I then added a bit more of the strong adhesive and hot glue just to make sure that my mirrored boxes were as sturdy as possible. I then used a alcohol-based window cleaner to remove the excess adhesive from my mirrors. Next, I used hot glue to adhere my glitter ribbon to my mirrored box. You'll notice that I'm only adding the hot glue to the wired edges of my ribbon. It's also a good idea to use a low temperature hot glue gun for this project. I'll also mention that while working with this ribbon, the glitter gets everywhere. So I would recommend that you spray the back side of the ribbon with a aerosol hairspray to reduce the amount of fallout. Now that I have the ribbon added to all 3 boxes, I can seal the bottom by adding another mirror or a piece of foam board. But at the last minute, I decided to keep the bottom open and add these Dollar Tree LED wire lights instead. I'm often asked, how do I change the batteries out on projects like this? So here's how I add the battery pack in order to make it easy to change the batteries when needed. Originally, I had hoped to be able to feed the wire through the small space at the top of the mirrored box. However, the bulbs on the wires were a bit too big, so instead I am actually feeding the wire through the holes in the wire ribbon. I continued feeding the wire to add lights to all 4 sides of my mirrored box. This was definitely a last-minute decision. Ideally, these wires would have been glued down prior to adding the ribbon. I left some of the wires for the very top of my mirrored box as well. I used the first glitter ribbon roll to wrap all 3 of my boxes, and I'm using this second roll for the bows on top. To complete the project, I removed any excess hot glue, gave my mirrors a final cleaning, and here's how my DIY project turned out. I'm really happy with how these mirrored gift boxes turned out. They are totally customizable by simply changing the ribbon and can be used on any tabletop or as a Christmas centerpiece. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I'd also like to invite you guys to visit my online store. There are tons of beautiful handmade items that you can choose from for yourself or for someone special. As always, thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.